welcome. I am Cherish-Laura, and this is another hotel decorating video. We are celebrating a birthday, and we are at the Residence Inn. This is in the Opryland area, so right next to Opry Mills, which is the outlet mall, the Grand Ole Opry. So yeah, we're in that area, and we're just gonna get set up. I love this room, so let's go ahead and do a room tour. All right, when you walk in, you have your kitchen area, so the fridge, little bar area. Oh, a microwave is in here too. A microwave and a stove. I was not expecting that. Okay. And then you come in here. Here is the living room area. Got the desk. I really like this room. And the couch area. Okay. And then right here is going to be your king size bed. It is a little coating on the ceiling, but it's not full on popcorn. So I think we should be great. And then this area, they've already been in here, so I'm not gonna go too detailed, but there's a little area to get ready, do your makeup. The bathroom is there, and then here is the closet. All right, so that is the room, so let's get set up. The colors for this one is gonna be yellow, white, silver. Let's go.
Looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's you.
So I am all done. Let me give you a little review. So we have the trail of yellow rose petals, and I like to start after the little stopper, so the door doesn't completely ruin everything. A little floor balloons. It comes with 24 floor balloons or extra balloons, so I kind of mix them on the desk area. Picture of the couple. The setup comes with the 12 roses in a vase. They added on the helium number balloons. And so when he walks in, this is what he will see. And so it's like, oh, okay, this is really sweet. You would think this is it. And then once you come over to the bed, I have the 41 in petals with LED lights. It says happy birthday, babe. And then the ceiling latex balloons.
Thank you so much for watching. That is another hotel room setup. Keep in mind, if you are visiting Nashville or you just want to do a staycation, I am your girl, Cherish-Laura. Let me know if you want a hotel room setup, a romantic setup, celebrating an anniversary, birthday, bachelorette party, all the things. So thank you so much. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you around in the next one. Bye.